So can we talk about, what we experienced yesterday? Because if we look into it, it says July 8th turns out to be the day that most people around the planet experience daylight at the same time. This occurs because most of Earth's population lives on one side of the planet. Okay, it might not look like that on most maps, it doesn't. But that's because the majority of classroom maps are distorted to be come on. To be population centric. I mean, it sounds like they don't even really know. They're just like, hey, dude, we don't really, everybody sees light at the same time, but most people they're not even on that same side of the ball. But just trust us, okay? Because when you see the stuff that they show, I mean, this is Africa here. I mean, there's a lot on the other side. What do you mean? Everything's on one side. We all live on one side. It just doesn't look like that. Like, what do you mean? These are your images. Now, not only do they give you just some nonsensical explanation about how it's possible that makes no sense and doesn't prove anything, they then give you cartoon images as their science. Oh, well, this is how. There's a photo from space of Earth and everything's on the other side. Okay, guys, that's how. No, guys, this is an image. This is just a cartoon. This is not science. This is not what you call a scientific experiment or something that you can demonstrate, on your model. However, on the flatter side, on the level topographical plane side, we can not only show you images, right, to demonstrate, we can actually go in reality and demonstrate these things, all right? Now, you take a level plane here, a flat Earth map, you add a dome and then a light source, and as you project the light in at certain angles that the light travels, you can get different amounts of light, which make a lot more sense than what we're told on the globe. So just remember, do not take some nonsensical explanation and some image that makes no sense, that's not even an actual photograph of anything, over demonstrable, repeatable, scientific method experiments.